Hello, my name is Sarah and I am 21 years old. Right now, I live with my dad, his new wife, and her daughter, whose name is Emma. My mum left this world when I was really small. Back then, my dad gave me so much love, but everything turned upside down after his second marriage. His wife? She has no warmth for me. Emma is her treasure. She loves Emma more than anything. And Emma? She's the laziest person I know. She contributes absolutely nothing to household chores. Her entire day revolves around playing video games, endless phone conversations with friends, or browsing online stores. Yet somehow, my stepmother rewards her with fresh outfits, sparkling jewelry, and premium food every single day. As for me, I handle every single task. I sweep and mop the house, prepare all the meals, wash everyone's clothes, and rush to the marketplace. I struggle back home, carrying enormous bags filled with groceries and heavy water containers. Tiredness has become my constant companion, but I refuse to complain about it. My stepmother, she has never once thanked me. Most days, I feel completely invisible. The moment I turned 18, my stepmother began discussing plans to find a boyfriend for Emma. Emma has matured now, she would announce proudly. She must start meeting respectable young men. Dress yourself in your finest outfit and attend the school fair. Boys will definitely spot you there, and will select the ideal one for you. Hearing this made me feel anxious inside. My dad happened to overhear this entire conversation. "Sarah, why don't you join them as well?" he suggested gently. "Perhaps somebody will develop feelings for you too." Gathering all my courage, I asked my stepmother one simple question. "May I please wear something new? My current dress has become dirty and doesn't fit me anymore." She threw her head back and laughed loudly. "Something new? Absolutely not, Sarah. You already have old clothes available. Just put that on and get ready. Your sister is standing there waiting for you." When we reached the fair, Emma appeared wearing a breathtaking white dress paired with a shiny gold necklace. Meanwhile, I stood beside her wearing my ancient faded dress. My heart completely sank in that moment. Not a single person will pay attention to me, I thought sadly. I walked several steps behind her without making any noise. But then something unexpected happened. I spotted him, a young man radiating a friendly, welcoming smile. His eyes met mine and he spoke. "Hello there. What's your name?" Shock and surprise filled me instantly. "Sarah," I whispered back nervously. "You carry such kindness within you," he continued speaking. "I've noticed the way you assist everyone around here." My stepsister's face twisted into an ugly frown. "We must leave immediately. Mother is waiting back home for us." She yanked my arm forcefully and pulled me away. But that young man flashed another smile toward me just before we vanished. 7 days later, my stepmother hatched yet another cunning plan. "Emma, today you'll wear Sarah's old dress. Meanwhile, Sarah will put on your beautiful dress," she declared firmly. Nervousness rushed through my entire body. Can this plan possibly succeed? I questioned silently in my mind. But protesting wasn't something I could do. We traveled to the fair for the second time. On this particular occasion, I found myself dressed in Emma's magnificent dress. I even fastened the necklace around my neck too. Upon our arrival, every single person's attention shifted directly toward me. Smiles appeared on faces everywhere. Some people leaned closer, whispering among themselves, "Who is that girl over there? She appears absolutely gorgeous." The young man walked straight up to me. "You are truly amazing," he said with genuine admiration. I would really love to meet your family members. Is it possible for me to visit your home sometime?" My stepsister's expression darkened with pure anger. She remained completely silent, but her burning jealousy was written all over her face. My stepmother's mood also turned sour instantly. Several days went by quietly. Then, my stepmother instructed me to walk to the park and collect fresh flowers needed for decoration purposes. A slight fear gripped me, but I obeyed and went anyway. During my walk across the slippery wet grass, I suddenly lost my balance and injured my leg badly. Standing up became impossible. Walking home was completely out of the question. Terror washed over me, and loneliness surrounded me entirely. Without thinking twice, I dialed the young man's number. He arrived incredibly fast and immediately came to my rescue. He lifted me up gently and carried me the entire distance home. He purchased food and medicine for me and made it a point to visit me every single day without fail until my recovery was complete. Thankfulness flooded my heart. Hope began blooming inside me once again. Inside our home, my father finally started observing how incredibly hard I worked day after day. "Sarah, pride fills my heart when I think of you," he expressed one day. "You possess bravery, kindness, and remarkable strength." A smile spread across my face, and happiness glowed warmly inside. During this same period, my stepsister, alongside my stepmother, continuously attempted to complicate my life. They acted as if I was invisible and spread hurtful lies about me to other people. But their actions didn't affect me anymore. My entire focus remained on my work responsibilities and my studies. The young man and I developed into close friends over time. We dedicated time to being together, engaging in conversations, sharing laughter, and offering help to one another. A realization dawned upon me gradually. I had fallen deeply in love with him. He showed more care toward me than anyone else ever had before. He acknowledged my efforts, appreciated my kindness, and valued my heart genuinely. One particular day, my father arranged a small family gathering at home. My stepmother invested all her energy trying to make Anna appear absolutely perfect, while simultaneously trying to diminish my presence. However, the moment the young man entered our home, his smile was directed solely at me. "Sarah, being with you is what I truly want," he declared openly. "I admire you for exactly who you are." Happiness unlike anything I had ever experienced before consumed me entirely. My father's face lit up with a proud smile. "Sarah, you are deserving of all the wonderful things life has to offer." Those were his exact words. Eventually, after many months had passed, the young man presented me with a marriage proposal. My answer came instantly. Yes, our wedding ceremony was small, yet incredibly beautiful. My father attended, radiating pride and happiness throughout. My stepsister, along with my stepmother, sat quietly in their corner, but their silence meant nothing to me anymore. Today, happiness fills my life completely. A loving husband stands by my side. A caring father supports me always, and respect comes my way for who I genuinely am. Life doesn't always present easy moments, but maintaining kindness, courage, and patience has the power to transform everything around you. Through my journey, I learned a valuable lesson that genuine love and true happiness eventually reach those individuals who refuse to surrender, even during times when life feels completely unfair. Thank you for watching. If this story inspired you, please like the video and share it with someone who needs hope. Subscribe to English Reflections for more simple stories and daily motivation. Until next time, keep learning, keep believing, and keep moving forward. Your best days are coming. Stay blessed.